Whether you're a teacher, a maintenance worker, or a member of the administration, you play a vital role in making your school a better place. Ensuring the safety of the staff and students is paramount. The Occly solution provides a flexible and low-cost mobile alarm system that provides fast and accurate real-time situational awareness so that you and your school are prepared for the worst. The Occly solution features our hardware, which includes our body cameras and other wearable devices, and enterprise software, which is comprised of our fully featured smartphone app and web companion. In case of emergency, when you push the panic button on your smartphone app or hardware device, alarms instantly send video, images, and audio of the situation to the cloud and to our 24/7 monitoring services, so your situation can be monitored in real time from afar. From there, emergency services can dispatch to your area with accurate and detailed information. Alarm alerts can be reviewed by Occly's monitoring services, a contact list of recipients, or any dispatch center using our open API, including an on-site staff or the local police. The Occly solution offers tools that give you the ultimate protection. Tools like real-time mapping including indoor location services, live remote access to video, images, and audio, geofencing, which includes entrance and exit alerts, as well as remote data retrieval. Are you worried about the extra red tape it will take to get expensive and permanent safety solutions approved? No need to worry. With Occly, there are no wires, no long-term commitments, and leasing options are available. Prices are as low as $1 a day per hardware user, which includes monitoring and body cam hardware. Fob and application options are available for even less. Staff will be fully equipped with our hardware, while students can be given access to our smartphone app for the ultimate comprehensive safety solution. From the moment you contact us, the Occly solution can be ready to go in a matter of weeks. As the recent recipient of the Secure Campus Award for Best in Security and Personal Safety Devices, Occly is ready to protect your school today. Our Blink and Link models are available now, and our Pro and Enforce models will be arriving soon. For more information about Occly and school safety, visit our website at www.occly.com.